Today we're looking at DeWalt's 14-piece titanium drill bit set. Hi, I'm Jay with Lowe's.
And I'm Matt Whitbeck.
Today we're looking at DeWalt's 14-piece drill bit set with titanium coating for 2 times longer life.
I'll tell you, one of the first things I really like about this is the no-spin shank. We're able to get this into the chuck quickly and easily, lock it in place, and eliminate a lot of slippage that might happen with a normal smooth shank bit. Let's check this thing out.
Let's see what it does.
I'm gonna go through a piece of steel first. Normally this is gonna dull a drill bit really fast. After going through the steel, we got Ipe. This is one of the hardest woods I've ever worked with. Red oak, cabinet grade plywood, and pine. I'll tell you, with that patent pilot point, even after going through something solid like a piece of steel, that would normally take down the front of a bit, but this thing's able to go through with precision without a bunch of tear out. I think that's a really big deal. The coating with titanium allows for a lot of long-lasting durability, and with DeWalt's stackable kits, you're able to keep your pieces neat and organized and on your truck ready to go.
A lot of times you have to replace these because you lose them in your truck. If you guys want more information about the entire assortment of DeWalt products, check out the link in the description below.